In this video, I want to talk about the feedback that is given and how you should interpret it, uh, and what the structure is that is provided. So when we get feedback, we can see that we've actually created a session where we're asking a music coach about did the performance make the audience feel something? And we can see the frames of the video. We could view the uploaded video file if we wanted to. And then we see the written feedback. Now, I recommend that you actually read the written feedback thoroughly from the beginning to the end. The information that is provided is going to depend upon the coach and what the subject is that you're being coached on. So we can see, for example, that with the music coach, he is specifically calling out time-stamped corrections at 45 seconds in and at 1:30 in. If we were to look at a different feedback from a different coach, then the output is going to be completely different. And that is to be expected because the framework that has been defined for each coach will vary. So either way, directly below the feedback, you have the ability to listen to the feedback. Now, when you listen to the feedback, it will be complementary to the written feedback. It will not just read the written feedback to you. So if you click on the speak button, you can hear the coach.
Hey Greg, I just watched your performance and there's a lot to love about it. Your emotional delivery is really strong and you have a natural stage presence that draws people in.
Okay, so that's what this particular music coach sounds like. If we go back over here to the doctor coach, and we can see that there's a speak button below this for her voice.
Greg, here's the honest take. Magnesium gets all the credit for cramps, but at 60, nocturnal calf cramps are usually a mix of tight calves, foot mechanics, hydration, and overnight circulation.
So we'll hit pause on that again. Both the written feedback and the audio feedback are available to you to go back and re-review at any point in time by going to the My Sessions tab. So if you go to My Sessions, we can see that the latest review here was from the music coach. We can see the video file that we uploaded. We can see the entire written feedback, and we can re-listen to the audio. So that is how you should look at the feedback that is provided.